dog with a big black dog on a big black nose.
Really?
Yes po, kuya.
Housemates.
Yeah.
Ang nanalo para sa tongue twister round with a score of 19 points. Congratulations, regular housemates.
Siya mo minasa.
Kuya, okay na? Nag-champion po dito sa game namin ang team adults, no?
Hindi. Kasi nanalo niyo sila.
Hindi kasi nanalo sila ng 8 plus.
Kapag inad ang scores doon sa spelling round, ang adults ay merong 21 points. Samantalang, ang teen housemates ay mayroong 20 points. Congratulations, regular housemates.
Galing mo. Do you still remember?
Nar.
No. Good job, guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you guys for welcoming me here. I'm staying, but I think I'm not sure, but I think Kuya, I think my time is up here, and may papalit sa akin. So I really enjoyed you guys' company, but I want to say to all of you guys, all the blessings in the world, to all of you guys. God bless you guys. And win or lose, as I said earlier, di ba, ito yung pagkakataon niyo na para sa labas. Ay tanggapin kayo ng buo. But please, tandaan nyo lang, stay humble. Kailangan laging makapaan nasa lupa lang, nasa ground. Stay humble. Be nice and enjoy life.
Thank you, B.
And I will see you guys, I'm sure, sooner or later. We're gonna cross paths. So, group up that night. Group up. Good job. Congratulations, everyone. Big 4. Good luck.
Thank you. All the word.
Thank you. No problem. Ano yung sa'yo ulit?
A big black dog with a big black